Family of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Soyed Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, date of birth April 19, 1939, date of death February 28, 2026. The wife of Ayatollah Khamenei is Mansurah Khujaste Bagher Zadeh, age 79 years. The first son of Ayatollah Khamenei is Mustafa Khamenei, date of birth 1965, age 61 years. The second son of Ayatollah Khamenei is Mustafa Khamenei, date of birth 1969, age 57 years. The third son of Ayatollah Khamenei is Masoud Khamenei, date of birth 1974, age 52 years. The fourth son of Ayatollah Khamenei is Mezam Khamenei, date of birth 1978, age 48 years. The first daughter of Ayatollah Khamenei is Huda Khamenei, age 47 years. The of Ayatollah Khamenei is Bosra Khamenei, date of birth 1980, age 46 years.